Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try false lashes for the first time. I did a lot of research. First I got the Ardell Demi Wispies because Jessica Vu loves these and she's my mother. So I also have some lash glue and tweezers that I don't know if I will use, but I have them because all the beauty gurus on YouTube use them. I have really small Asian lashes. As you guys can see, you probably don't even see them because they're non-existent. Here we are. We're gonna go ahead and try false lashes for the first time. Well, not we. I am. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Actually, I'm not gonna take off my glasses yet because I'm blind. Then I'm gonna open these. Ooh, so these are the lashes. They feel like hair. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my glasses. I think I'm gonna do my right eye first. So I think the first thing you do is obviously peel it off. Oh, it's sticky. Am I supposed to take off the adhesive? Oh my god, I look humongous. I think first you do is you measure your lashes. Also, I'm wearing mascara. I don't think I need to trim these. It looks like I don't need to trim them. I think you go ahead and put glue on these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put glue. I think now you're supposed to wait for this to become tacky. I don't want to wait too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try like this because it's actually getting clearer as we speak. I'm using my tweezers and try to apply them. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. How do you even do the inner corner? I don't even think they're like sticking right. I'm just gonna peel this off. I think you peel off this glue. Ow, I just poked my eye. I'm gonna peel off the old glue. We're gonna try again. So I peeled off the glue and now I'm gonna reapply some lash glue. Oh, I got glue on my tweezers. Take 2 on applying lashes. I'm already messing up. I'm just gonna try using my fingers. This is really hard. The inner part being really annoying. It's not sticking. Okay, I mean, I got it on. They look really big. I feel like I was supposed to put it further in because it looks kind of big on the outside. I don't know. I think I'm supposed to put it further in. I don't know what I'm doing really, but I think I was supposed to put it further in. Okay, I'm gonna peel it off. Take 3. 3 is a magic number. It stuck to my tweezers. You know what? There's a little bit of glue on the lashes, but I think I finally got it. This is so weird. Oh my god. Okay guys, I have a smoothie now. I'm gonna go ahead and try my other eye. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to attach the other eye. Okay, I moved it. I put it in a little bit too far. And hey, I think I got it in one try. I think I mostly got it. I was literally holding my breath the entire time I was putting this on. Oh my god. It could be a little bit better. I didn't break any lashes. I didn't blind myself. Yeah, I think this is it. I don't want to put on glasses because my fake lashes would just like sweep my glasses or something. But this is how May looks with fake lashes. That is it for my video of me trying fake lashes for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this or laughed a bit. I just thought it'd be funny to film my first time trying false lashes because false lashes are an experience. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you guys want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!